good morning. Let's have a coffee, guys. Ayun. Have a good day and keep safe. How are you today, guys? I hope you have a good day. Have a good morning. Feel good. Ayun. feel fresh. Oh, yun, guys. We feel good and we feel fresh. Oh, so, di ba, guys? So, very simple. What we want. As simple as life, what I want. Charot. So, yun lang, guys. I hope you had a good smile in early morning. So, di ba, guys? Ayun. So, keep safe. Have a good day. You have, I hope you had a good day and have a good morning, a good feelings. Ayun, guys. Lahat na yun. So, yun lang. Keep safe, everyone. And God bless us. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all.